Hi everyone, I'm Brian. Thanks for coming to my channel. I really appreciate you stopping by, giving this video a quick watch. Just wanted to kind of tell you what you will find on this channel. I've been woodworking for a little over 40 years, and I have done everything from small, simple day projects, weekend projects, like my lanterns here, my little tea light candle holders, all the way up to, intricate jewelry boxes, like this bird's eye maple box here, with removable compartments, extra storage down below. This has wenge highlights in it. Here is the same jewelry box in a curly walnut with maple accents to it. I love working with highly figured woods and exotic woods. This is Purple Heart and hard maple. This here is a beautiful olive wood. And then my valet, this is a beautiful hard curly maple. Some people call it a tiger maple. But these are some of the types of items you will see me use on this channel. The best way that you could help support me on this channel is by watching the videos, giving it a like, throwing on a comment. Hopefully, I can earn your subscription. If you do, just hit that subscribe button. And then, of course, I do have my website, which is bwdesignworks.com. I put up a lot of the products that you see me build up for sale. There are some videos that are on my channel here that are special builds, special commissions. I do commission work. You will see those as well. These are a new product that I just came out with, and these are little phone holders and speaker amplifiers. The speakers on your phone, as you know, are not that loud. A lot of the times you don't want to sit and hold your phone, so this holds it at a great angle and still allows you to hear it louder than it would on the phone, directs the sound right at you. My resin of choice that I use is Woodworking Epoxy Resin. You're going to see a lot of videos with that. I absolutely love working with resin. Woodworking is a great choice. I have tried different brands, different companies. Nobody even comes close, in my opinion, to Woodworking. So, again, thank you for coming over. If you would do me the favor of giving me a like, throwing down a comment, hopefully I can get your subscription. Hit that subscribe button. Follow me along. We have a lot of videos planned, both resin projects and woodworking projects. And of course, you can visit me at my website, bwdesignworks.com. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.